It is once again time for the Law on You with the area's premier attorneys Greg Fellerman and Brian Corcoran. You know, it's been a few days since the bow tie has been back. And let me tell you something, I felt like very underdressed when I was getting ready for work this morning.
That's because you are underdressed. You're basically wearing a sweatshirt this morning.
I'm done. Well, hopefully we can make the day a bit better with Olivia's question from the back mountain. She asks, my baby suffered a brain injury during delivery and I believe the doctor didn't act fast enough to prevent it. Can I do anything?
That's a very complex case because a couple things. Number one, you have to get all of the medical records from your doctor to see what's going on. You're going to have to contact a lawyer. We have a nurse in-house and we have contacts with physicians who could look at this from the get-go when we get all the records and tell you whether or not anything occurred. Also, as an aside, you should be aware that you could do something, but if your child also has 2 years from the date of their 18th birthday to bring an action. So you have time to look at this thing, but my advice would be to get the records as soon as possible. Give us a call. We could look at those things in fairly short order and tell whether or not you have a case.
And then part of that too is, you have to see how the child progresses after birth and whether or not they develop any deficits as a result of that delay. So they're a little complex. We do a ton of them. We've had some really good results with these, birth type injuries for people. So if you have a question, I think it's better to pick up the phone and reach out now so we can get ahead of it and start working it on for you. Answer your questions. That's what we want to do. Help you out.
Absolutely. And if you want your questions answered, just visit the website or give that hotline a call.